Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be sharing with you all recipe of mahalabiya. So let's see what ingredients we need. We need 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder, 1 tablespoon of rose syrup, and 750 ml of milk. Pour milk into a saucepan. Add cream. Keep stirring until milk boils. Now in a bowl add corn flour and add little water and mix it well. As you can see, milk is boiling now. Add vanilla powder and rose syrup. Add sugar and mix well. Now add corn flour and keep stirring. Keep stirring until it thickens. As you can see, milk is thick now. Pour into bowls. Garnish with chopped almonds and rose petals. Refrigerate for about 2 hours. As you can see, mahalabiya is ready. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.